The OnePlus 15 is finally coming to international markets, with its official launch confirmed for November 13th in the US, UK, and Europe. The phone was first introduced in China on October 28th, and now global users are eager to see if it will live up to the same level of excitement. The news was confirmed by OnePlus Europe CMO, Selena Shi, in an interview with TechRadar. Interestingly, OnePlus skipped the number 14 and jumped directly to 15. This wasn't a mistake. The number 4 is considered unlucky in Chinese culture. The company says the OnePlus 15 represents a two-generation leap in performance, design, and intelligence. Selena Shi described it as a complete transformation, both inside and out. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors available. It also includes super-fast LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM, with speeds up to 10,667 megabytes per second. However, this feature is only available in the 16 gigabytes version. This combination promises top-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy use, but it's not just the hardware that's exciting. The OnePlus 15 takes a big step into the world of AI. One of the biggest changes is the new Plus key, which replaces the traditional alert slider. This new button is powered by AI and can be customized to perform different tasks like opening the camera, taking screenshots, or launching smart features. The phone runs on Exynos 16, the latest version of OnePlus's software. This version combines AI tools with a simple and smooth design. One of its major features is Mind Space, an AI-powered storage area where users can save content for later use or analysis. It also works with Google's Gemini AI, which helps the phone understand what's stored and perform actions based on that. It acts like a second brain, providing smart and context-aware suggestions, according to Selena Shi. This makes the OnePlus 15 the first phone to include a truly personalized AI system with Gemini integration. It uses data saved on the phone along with advanced AI models and real-time internet access to provide more intelligent responses and assistance. In terms of camera performance, the OnePlus 15 doesn't focus on increasing megapixels, but instead improves image quality through smarter software. The new Detail Maxing merges several 12-megapixel photos with a single 50-megapixel shot to create a clear and realistic 26-megapixel image. The phone can now capture up to 10 frames per second, which is faster than the OnePlus 13's 6 FPS. And it uses a dual exposure system to reduce blur in moving shots. Low-light photography is also better. Thanks to the Clear Night engine, this feature captures multiple brightness levels to make night shots look natural instead of overly bright or grainy. These changes show that OnePlus is aiming for realistic photos rather than just higher megapixel counts. When it comes to design, the OnePlus 15 introduces a completely new look. The camera module has a symmetrical design, giving it a balanced and premium appearance. It will be available in 3 elegant colors: Infinite Black, Sandstorm, and Ultraviolet, each with a different finish to appeal to different styles. It's clear that OnePlus wants this phone to stand out as both a design and technology statement. However, not everything about the international version is clear. Selena Shi didn't confirm whether the global model will keep the 165Hz display found on the Chinese version. She only mentioned that display quality remains a top focus. This leaves fans wondering if the global version will still offer the same ultra-smooth screen experience. There's also some concern about the battery. The Chinese version uses a 7,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, which is very advanced. But this technology isn't yet approved in many countries, so the international version might use a smaller lithium battery instead. If that happens, battery life could take a hit. Price is another key factor. In China, the OnePlus 15 starts around $563, which is great value for its features. However, reports suggest that in the US, it could start at $899, the same as the OnePlus 13's launch price. That higher price, combined with possible missing features, could make it a harder sell outside China. The smaller camera sensors in the international version might also affect photo quality. The focus on gaming and AI shows that OnePlus is aiming this model more at performance users rather than photography lovers. Overall, the OnePlus 15 looks like a big step forward with its AI-powered features, powerful hardware, and new design. But the international version might lose some of the charm and value of the Chinese model due to a higher price and fewer features. It's definitely a powerful phone, but whether it will impress global buyers as much as it did in China remains uncertain.